Am I the asshole for installing a lock on the bathroom door after my brother-in-law kept barging in? My female 25, husband's male 30, brother, male 33, moved in with us after his divorce a few weeks ago. The problem I have is that he started barging into the bathroom whenever I'm using it. He never knocks or anything. Another thing is that he only does this when it's me in the bathroom and not his brother. I told my husband about what I noticed and he laughed it off and called me paranoid. It was embarrassing because his brother would see me exposed and I was really uncomfortable about it. My husband said that he spoke to him and he apologized, but then did it again. When my husband and I got married, we promised not to have locks or to lock each other out of any room. So the bathroom didn't even have a lock. I was really considering getting a lock, and I let my husband know that if his brother walks in on me in my bathroom one more time, then a lock will instantly be installed. He didn't say anything. Well, yesterday, brother-in-law walked in on me showering. He knew that I would be in the shower, but he barged in anyway, claiming that he needed to pee. I had enough, so I went out and bought a lock and installed it. When my husband got home and saw it, he blew up on me, saying that I violated an agreement that I was part of, and that I went against his wishes being uncomfortable with locks in the house. He demanded that I removed it and promised and guaranteed that his brother won't walk in on me again, but at this point I refused. He's been pissed off about it since then and is giving me the silent treatment. And just a little info, I'm not close with my brother-in-law. My husband is. I don't even talk to him that much, and I barely even sat down with him at any gathering before he moved in with us. So before I provide an update on this situation, it's worth noting that my brother-in-law used to do this with the bedroom too, but at least I'm not always exposed in the bedroom. So my husband came home and I told him that the lock will not be removed until his brother leaves, and his reaction was to try and remove the lock himself and to tell me to quit acting childishly. What I did was not to shout or scream at him, but instead I packed a bag to go to my mom's house for the next few days, or at least until this whole situation gets resolved somehow. On my way out, I saw my brother-in-law in the driveway smoking. He knew what the argument between me and my husband was about, but instead of stepping up to fix it, he offered to take me to my mom's house, saying that my husband could use some space from me. This made me cry the whole Uber ride to my mom's house. The reason I feel offended is because my brother-in-law tends to be hurtful when he talks about others. I did all I could to win his approval, but he thinks less of me and thinks I'm childish, just like my husband says.